Hello friends, today we are going to make a chicken curry. So we'll get into the video now. So on the ingredients we have tomato, onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, coriander, and also we have whole spices over here. So we'll now turn on the gas, put the pan and heat for 5 minutes. Now we'll add the oil and let it heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to coat the chicken. Then put the whole spices. Now we can add the chicken. We fried our chicken for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna add some onions. Now we're gonna add all the spices that we need. So salt, turmeric powder, chili and everything.
Cumin and coriander and some meat masala.
Now it's time to add some tomatoes and we can stir it up. Now we open the lid and stir up for 1 to 2 minutes and it looks like this. After leaving like this for 2 minutes, we're gonna add some water and we can stir it now. It looks delicious. Now finally we're gonna add coriander. So finally our chicken curry is ready to serve, and this is how we make the chicken curry today. Thank you for watching my video.